Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy European hot chocolate. It is lovely and thick. It was inspired by hot chocolates that I've tried over the years in Italy and in Paris, and it's just decadent and indulgent and a lovely sweet treat to enjoy all year round, although especially lovely and warming during winter. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so you can make this, and there's loads of ideas for variations as well as how to thicken it, make extra thick hot chocolate. This one is sort of thick, but it's exactly how I like it. But there's loads of ideas for variations in that blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this European hot chocolate a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. First, let me talk you through the chocolate part of the hot chocolate. I've chopped up 2 rows of dark chocolate. I've gone for a row of 70% and a row of 85%, so they'll kind of blend together. You can use any chocolate you like, milk. You can even make a white hot chocolate. You can use any dark you want. I find this dark chocolate combo is sweet enough. If you want to add in sugar or stevia, you're welcome to do that as well to sweeten it, but I like it pretty dark. So I like to first seed in my chocolate. I've just chopped up the 2 rows, popped them into this little pink bowl so that when the milk is heated and ready, my chocolate is ready, and I just pour it straight in. So now let me chat you through the milk. So I'm going to actually be making my hot chocolate in a saucepan, and my kind of hack for getting the perfect amount of milk is to grab out the mug that you're going to be using and just pour out the milk. If you're going to be using 2, just measure out 2 mugs. It's up to you. I like to go about 3/4 of milk, and then just top it up with some cream for some lovely indulgence, and just leaving a little bit of room because we're going to add in the chocolate as well eventually. So I'm just going to pour that out into the saucepan. And if you want to add any sugar or stevia, pop it in now to sweeten so it'll all dissolve. And if you want an extra thick hot chocolate, there are a couple of options. You can add even more chocolate, that makes it super thick, and like you're drinking melted chocolate. You can add a little bit of corn flour or cornstarch in, about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon per mug, just depends how thick you want it. Another option is actually to go a bit of cinnamon, about a 1/4 to a half a teaspoon of cinnamon per mug will actually, it'll give a lovely cinnamon flavor, but it'll also thicken the hot chocolate. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this on the stove top, and you want to heat it through, and we take it off just before it comes up to bubble. So I've just got the milk on the stove top over medium to high heat, and just stir it every now and then just so the milk doesn't kind of stick to the bottom. Keep a close watch on it, and we just want it to kind of steam and warm through, and just before it comes up to bubble we take it off the heat. It's only been a few minutes and the milk is kind of starting to steam. Yeah, just keep stirring it, and we'll take it off just before it comes to bubble, which will be any minute now. The milk is warmed through. I've taken it off the stove top just before it came to bubble, and now we'll add in all that chopped chocolate and stir it through to melt. If you find that the chocolate isn't quite melted enough, you can just pop it back on the stove top over a low heat until it's all fully melted. There you go, all the chocolate is fully mixed in, and now we'll pour it out into our mug. So I've got my mug there, and I'm just going to very carefully pour my hot chocolate out. Perfect. And there you go, that is my perfect European hot chocolate. It's beautiful and thick and just full of lovely chocolate in every single spoonful. But that is the video for today for how to make this easy European hot chocolate. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, and loads of ideas for variations, a full explanation of how to thicken it if you want it even thicker than this, but I quite enjoy it like this, and it just makes a lovely sweet treat any time of the day, and it's warming especially through winter. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.